tell you about Sirius XM radio. Sirius XM radio is going to be everywhere. It is going to be on every gadget of the future, whether it's direct TV, cell phones, radios, at home or in your car.
I tell people, invest where you spend your own money. If your refrigerator is filled with Budweiser, you better own Anheuser-Busch.
Here's this fledgling company or fledgling technology that's happening, and is it going to take off or is it not going to take off?
The satellite would have to be 3 times more powerful than any satellite that had ever been launched.
The sky's the limit. They can go international. 1 out of every 3 or 4 people in America could one day own a satellite radio.
So I threw some money at it. Next day it went up.
I bought a 235 and then I bought 3 and then 350, 375, 4.
I first jumped into purchasing the stock at about $4.
I bought it in at $6.88.
I have about 12,500 shares right now.
So I kept buying and buying, and one day it jumped up over $9 a share.
I see a stock that could be trading at $30 a share in the year 2012.
Sirius XM receiving a lifeline, helping it to avoid bankruptcy.
Sirius and its lenders are deep in discussion.
It doesn't seem that many people really grasp what happened here. I started uncovering troubling issues.
Look at the wealth that's been stolen here. There is no difference between Mr. Karmazin and Bernard Madoff. None.
Why the company that make it almost $3 billion a year go back to fight them?
Sirius is just one of many cases where abusive short selling by manipulators has occurred.
In New York, they called us the plumbers. We're the plumbers of Wall Street. And nobody wants to hear what the plumber has to say until the backs up in the living room.
What you're seeing is a systematic attack on the American economic system.
There was no difference between now and what has happened in the 1930s. It is a carbon copy.
Who was shorting the stock? Who was accumulating the bonds? The record is clear.